Hey y'all, Amanda here, and today we are doing my January 2021 Kinder Beauty box unboxing. So, they have officially moved away from having a card insert with the descriptions of all the products, and they are putting it online now. So I have my computer set up over here with the page pulled up, and I will be reading you the descriptions from here. So if you see me looking this way, that's what I'm doing, just so you know. And I think that's the only preface we have today. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's a little weighty. Okay, so we have a card informing us that they're no longer doing cards and they're going digital, which I think I kind of like. It's nice. It saves paper, and I think that's the purpose, to be more and more environmentally friendly. So I guess this is the last actual card they'll be including, and then hopefully there's no card moving forward. We'll see. So the first thing on top here is from Vionic, and it is the Gentle Face Mask, sensitive and irritation prone skin with white clay and coconut oil. You can totally see the top of the box. Let me turn that. So here's what it looks like. Let me scroll to that item and read you the description. It says this is a $4 value. This is a purifying kaolin-based face mask formulated for intensive care of sensitive and irritation-prone skin. Not to be outdone, it is rich in naturally occurring minerals that nourish the skin, including magnesium, zinc, calcium, iron, and silica, and it absorbs excess sebum and I can't say that word. It brings oxygen to the skin. Moisturizing coconut and sunflower oils and valerian root extract help to soften and regenerate. Regular use helps boost the skin's resistance to irritants, improves color, and promotes smooth, blemish-free complexion. So that is a lot of promises for a little old mask, but I am excited to give it a try. Y'all know I love a mask. Next we have from Plant Fusion, this is the Complete Plant Peptides Collagen Beauty. It's like a powder for your drinks. So that is that. And I will say I have gotten one of these. It is not going to focus, is it? Okay, it just doesn't want to focus on that. I've gotten one of these. This is technically a bonus product, it says. In, I think it was a Vegan Cuts box. And I put it in a smoothie, drank the smoothie, and then proceeded to feel like crap afterwards. So I had gotten in the car after I'd finished eating. So I'm debating whether it was the collagen that made me feel like crap or the fact that I got right in a car, because I'm very prone to motion sickness. Especially now that I'm never in cars because I'm working from home. My motion sickness has gotten 10 times worse. So I'm excited to have another one of these to kind of test the waters to see if collagen upsets my stomach or if it really was just the motion sickness. So I'm kind of excited about this. Let me read you their description. It says this is a $2.39 value. Plant Fusion Collagen Beauty is an advanced blend of plant peptides and botanicals to protect collagen, increase skin elasticity, and reduce appearance of wrinkles. Its plant-based anti-aging benefits come from collagen-building peptides, amino acids, almond fruit extract, and vitamin C. Plant-based oils called ceramides help hydrate skin and joints. Collagen Beauty is vegan-friendly, dairy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, and kosher. So I am really excited to experiment with this and see if it's the product that makes my stomach upset or if it was just that I got in the car right after I was finished having my smoothie. But either way, kind of glad I got another one of these to try because I'm interested. I'm curious. Next, we have a big product, and it's kind of, the packaging got kind of dusty, probably from the material they add to keep things safe. This is from a Loafy. It's butter, tangerine butter, yeah, all over skin food, yeah. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Excited for the tangerine scent. Let's open it and give it a sniff. Oh, it smells really good. It's a light tangerine scent. You smell it, but it's not in your face. And it is rock solid. I don't know if that's because it literally just came out of the cold, off of a cold FedEx truck, or if it's like really something you need to warm up to get emulsified. Let's read about it. This is a $32 value. That is sick. And this tangerine body butter contains only 6 ingredients. It's cruelty-free, made by women, ethically sourced, and pure enough to eat. I don't think I'll be eating it. The moisturizer sets a new standard for natural skincare. The highly potent product is jam-packed with nutrients that heal dehydrated and damaged skin. It's incredibly rich, providing moisture that lasts for days and is perfect for sensitive skin types. Use it for all over moisture or as a facial balm. Well, it's scented, so don't put this on your face. Let's just throw that out there. But I'm excited. This is a huge amount of product. It does smell really nice, so this will be a fun one to test out. Next, it looks like we have a pencil of some sort from Anika. This is an eye pencil in pure purple. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Here's the packaging, just your standard pencil packaging. Oh, much shorter than the box. I was expecting it to be way longer. But here is that. Come on, focus, please. My camera is just really not in the mood to focus at all. Come on. There we go. So the packaging's got like a gold metallic accent to it, and the lid is gold metallic too. Oh, it's dark purple. So let's get it focused again. You can see it's very dark black base purple, so it'll be a little pop, but not too in your face. That's gorgeous, and I'm very excited for that. I'm not gonna lie, that's really cool. So let's read about that one. Yes, it seems they'll be sending them out in assorted shades. So if you get the Collagen Beauty box, definitely let me know what shade you got. I'm loving the purple. So the description is, it is a $22 value. $22 for an eyeliner? That is insane. Anyway, it says Anika's organic eyeliners are one of our new Collagen Beauty favorites, crafted from natural plant-based ingredients and mineral pigments. This formula utilizes coconut oil for easy glide application. With these liners, you can easily say it with your eyes as you, that's weird wording, you can easily say it with your eyes as you use these liners to create a dramatic, long-lasting look for any eye shape and color. So, can we check out the value of this box right now? $32 and $22. This is already like $54 just with those two products. That's pretty amazing. Next we have from your best, no, that can't be the name. From Trilogy, Rose Hip Antioxidant Oil, I guess. Here's the packaging. It's got a picture of it on the side. And then here is the item. This is definitely a sample size because this is super tiny. Nourishes and rejuvenates. So let's read about that. It's a $7.50 value. Trilogy's proprietary seed blend, Rosapenning, I'm definitely not saying that right, is designed to nourish, hydrate, and brighten the complexion. This advanced formulation, named the Allure Clean Beauty 2020 Best Face Oil winner, combines essential fatty acids, rich rosehip oil, and super antioxidants including acai, tomato seed, and cranberry to nourish and help replenish softness, resulting in improved look of elasticity. It also provides a protective moisture barrier against environmental damage. So this is the kind of thing where I'm going to definitely look up the ingredient list just to be sure it doesn't have tons of fragrant stuff in it. But if it's good to go, I will use it on my face. If not, I'll use it on my body and you'll see it empty in a future empties video and I'll have nothing to say about it. But not knowing what's in it, it's definitely an exciting product since it was an Allure winner. So that's pretty cool. Then I think we should have one more item in here. I like this item. I've tried this before actually. It's from Kopari. It's the coconut oil deodorant. It's all wrapped up, so I'm not going to take the lid off. But of all of the deodorants I've tried, I think my list of deodorants that don't work for me is at 14 or 15 at this point. Of the ones that don't work for me, this one is probably one of the better ones. This one and Nubian Heritage are the two that I think are the best so far that I can tell you about. I mean, there's a Pacifica one that actually does work for me, but this one is pretty good. It's not the worst, to be honest, and I'm excited to try it. Let me read to you about it. It says, this is a $10 value. Empower your pits with Kopari's Beauty cult favorite aluminum and baking soda free natural coconut deodorant. This combo of plant-based enzymes helps provide odor protection while simultaneously helping to break down odor-causing bacteria. This one-of-a-kind vegan and cruelty-free formula is like skincare for the pits. I will say, if you are someone that does not tend to get very stinky and you just wear deodorant for the ritual of it, just in case you happen to get a little sweaty here or there, this one's probably perfect for you. It does a great job. If you are exceptionally stinky, like me, this one will hold up to a certain point and then it'll poop out on you, but it is one of the better ones of the natural deodorant world. So excited to have a little sample of that, and that it's a travel size. It's very small, actually. I will have to take this with me if I ever get to travel again, because it's not looking promising thus far. A few days, how many days are we into 2021? 22 days into 2021. It's not looking promising about traveling this year yet, but I'll have this if I need it. So that is the Kinder Beauty box for January 2021. I am pretty pleased with this box. I'm excited about every single item, to be honest. Pumped. Love it. So excited. This is the only one where I'm like questioning the ingredients list. I'll have to look at it just to make sure I can use it in the capacity they intend, but otherwise couldn't be happier. This was a rockstar, knock it out of the park box. So pleased. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will link to everything I am wearing or something similar if I can. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye.